If you want to check your warranty on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, you gotta open up your settings. Now scroll down to your About Phone tab, open it up. Now in our About Phone tab, we gotta locate our IMEI or serial number. You can check this information using both of these numbers. So I will use IMEI. Now here, let's open up our browser. Let's Google for store. Google.com. Great. Now tap on your account icon at the top right corner, press repass, and here enter your IMEI or serial number, which we just copied. Great. Let's press search. And there we are. We can see our warranty, where it ends, our IMEI, and we can check whether our phone legit or not. And basically, that's how you do that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.